Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's brother Andrew back again with another video. And today in my class, we was doing a little engineering and we was working on what we working on? What's this called? Coding. Coding.
But the
Okay.
last thing is a lot of you worked really hard on.
Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's brother Andrew, and today in this video we was working on coding in class today, and you know it was real interesting. We logged onto a couple of programs on the computer, and we coded, and I created a faceplate. So check out my work. Here we go. Yay! You see my homeboy? This was our first day getting familiar with the Hummingbird kits that we used, and we used the Hummingbird website and programmed the lights. Brother Andrew, we did another engineering project, and I'm gonna show you what I created. I made a little spider right here. We did some coding, and we're gonna check it out to see how it moves. Check it out, guys. Check out my spider, man. I think the legs bunched up. This was our second time working with the Hummingbird kits, and we programmed the motors to move. Hi guys, today we made a rover. We designed a rover using a shoebox, and we attached wheels and different motors and different sensors, and we created a rover. So check out my design. I really followed directions. I didn't really design it myself, but check out the rover. Here we go. See the wheels? They ain't 20s, but they straight though. We got the sensors in the front, got the two lights, got the vans off the wall box. Alright, so we're gonna check it out to see if it works.
Yeah, exactly. And then it's gonna be on you.
Yeah. Oh no, that's why I'm definitely gonna take this home and try it.
Alright, we're gonna turn it on to see.
Destroy it. Yeah. So like, it's just think about that. I also yeah, it's just not gonna happen.
Is there like a cabinet that you know for sure that your cat can't get into, like a box type thing? I don't want to tell you to put it in your car. I just like.
And that should change it?
Yeah. Just would not like to be liable if any cars are lost or ate. That's fair.
I mean,
But like, do we have to bring them home?
I want to say that you don't have to unless you want to. Like,
I feel fine. Like I used to fit short. It made sense.
Alright, there you go, guys. Got the two lights, got the sensors in the front. Whenever it comes close, it stops. See how the lights change when the sensors go off?
I'm gonna have this pulled up on my. I'm gonna have my computer. I'm gonna have it pulled up. Like,
Alright, guys, there we go.